welcome or welcome back to my channel. Of course, my name is Portia, and y'all can tell by the title, this is another travel vlog. This time I am in Dubai. This is my first time in Dubai. I just touched down like a few minutes ago or whatnot. It's currently Tuesday evening. I left out of America on Monday evening or whatnot, but yes, just touched down in Dubai. Super excited. I have several excursions and sightseeing activities planned, so I'm going to take you guys along for the journey for all of that. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Definitely subscribe, thumbs up, drop some comments, share, and all that good stuff throughout this vlog. But right now, for one night only, for my first night, I'm staying in the Swiss Hotel. This is close by the Dubai Mall or whatnot, and I'm just going to show y'all like the bathroom. Just a quick little room overview. Right now I'm gonna try to go find some food because it's like it's like 10 o'clock right now at night. But yeah, just wanted to check in with you guys and officially kick off this vlog. Just come on camera and introduce the vlog officially. But yes, Dubai travel vlog. It's gonna go up. It's gonna be lit. We about to have a great time in Dubai. So make sure you guys, like I said, stay tuned, watch all the way to the end. Thumbs up, drop some comments, share, subscribe, all of that. And let's go for our 2023 Dubai trip. Okay. And right outside the hotel is the Burj Khalifa. That tower is the world's tallest tower and a top attraction here in Dubai. You know, y'all see it sparkling, but yes, that's the Burj Khalifa. Tomorrow I'm actually going to go there on like a sightseeing excursion type of thing, so y'all stay tuned for that. But just had to check in and just show y'all all the Burj Khalifa with nighttime views. So it's the next morning. Last night I arrived in Dubai, and then I went to the Dubai Mall. I walked over to the mall to grab a bite of something to eat. And also FYI for my content creators as well as any travelers who like to carry professional cameras, you cannot record in the Dubai Mall. One of the workers or whatnot, he was like, yeah, you can't record in here or whatever. They didn't confiscate the camera. He wasn't rude about it or anything. He was just like, yeah, FYI, you can't record like I didn't really have a microphone, but he was like, I guess he thought it was a microphone. So he said, what's that? Like, oh, that's not loud or whatnot. So I just put the camera up. And I recorded some things on my cell phone, so you can still get your content. You can still get photos and pictures and all of that. Just use your cell phone. But yeah, did that last night. I ate at Texas Roadhouse. I didn't show you guys that. Texas Roadhouse is pretty widespread. Nothing unfamiliar there, but it's the next day. It's the next morning, top of the morning. You know, don't judge me, but I am in the bathroom with my Jack. Because if we don't do nothing, we gonna have a drink on this channel, okay? Sippy sip. But yeah, it's the next day, the next morning, and I'm getting ready because I have a tourist attraction. I booked a tourist attraction for 10:30, and I'm probably gonna skip breakfast because I didn't wake up one time, so I'm a little behind or whatnot. So I'm probably gonna skip breakfast so I can make it to my tourist attraction, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me for that. The tourist attraction is at 10:30. Y'all see me struggling with this? But yeah, the tourist attraction is at 10:30. And so I won't be late. I'm probably gonna get breakfast like I said. And yeah, I'm gonna continue getting ready. I'm gonna take you guys along with me for today because I have a tourist attraction as well as like another tourist attraction type thing booked for later on in the evening. So yes, make sure you guys keep watching as well. And also too, I have a travel prep maintenance vlog up, and this is one of the items that I showed in that vlog, like the hanging toiletry bag, the hanging shower bag. Very convenient, works very well, you know. I will link that vlog down below because I actually did link some other travel essentials in that vlog as well. So that will be down below in the description box. But I'm going to stop rambling because you know me, Chatty Patty, just get to talking a mile a minute about nothing. So I'm going to be quiet, get ready, and I'm going to get ready to take you guys along with me for the day. Okay, y'all, so I'm headed to my first tourist attraction, which will be the Burj Khalifa. It is the tallest tower in the world, so I bought tickets to view that. I bought tickets to floor 124 and 125. Oh, I'm about to get hit trying to vlog for y'all. But yes, that's what we're headed to right now. Where you look, where you talk, where you feel, where you look, where you talk, where you feel, Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Some of the photos I took. You can also purchase your photos as well. Hey y'all, so right now I am exiting the Burj Khalifa, and let me tell y'all, if you ever get a chance to visit the city of Dubai, I highly recommend you do this tourist attraction. It is one of a kind. You know, it's the world's tallest tower. I think it's at 828 meters, so super tall, but it's definitely an experience as soon as you walk in the building. As soon as you walk in the building, everything, every moment is an experience. It's a self-guided tour, but because there's so much information, you'll be able to follow along and read throughout like the history of the Burj Khalifa, of the tower being, you know, from the whole process of it being built and whatnot. But yes, highly recommend. I booked this directly on the Burj Khalifa website. I will link it down below. Like I said, I probably didn't spend no more than $40 US on this attraction, so highly recommend. I give it 2 thumbs up. Definitely an experience and a moment. Like I said, as soon as you walk through the building, everything from the elevators to the different observation decks, which you guys saw with me. I did observation deck 124 and 125. You can definitely book other observation decks, but those are the 2 ones that I chose. But yes, super cool experience. And right now I'm probably about to grab a bite of something to eat and maybe do like some quick shopping, maybe for some souvenirs and whatnot, but we'll see. But yes, just had to come in and check with y'all, let y'all know that I am exiting the building. People staring at me, vlogging. Okay, y'all, so I've officially transferred hotels. I'm at the hotel I will be staying at for the remainder of my trip here in Dubai. I'm at the Al Khoury Atrium Hotel. I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour or whatnot of my room, so let's go ahead and get that started right now. Okay, y'all, so checking back in with y'all right now. I'm about to head to dinner in the sky. I'm actually scared, but you know, you only come to Dubai once, so why not? Dinner in the Sky, they have several locations or whatnot, but this is gonna be my first time. Like I said, I'm actually scared. I need to hurry up and get on out here, but you see the earrings, just a little quick little outfit check. Styling and profiling. Don't mind the light. I had to cut my light on because y'all know how hotel rooms be. The light be kind of dull, be kind of dim, so I had to brighten this thing on up. But yes, headed to dinner in the sky. I'm ready to experience this. Like I said, I'm nervous, I'm scared. It took a lot out of me to book this. I booked this actually as well directly on the Dinner in the Sky Dubai location website. This was roughly, because I did weather insurance, this is roughly maybe like a little over $200. So it better be worth every penny, but I'm pretty sure it will. But yes, headed to Dinner in the Sky. I just wanted to check back in with you guys and let y'all know what was up with me. Got my pink on, my hot pink, my statement piece, my statement earrings. Styling and profiling on the girls in Dubai. You know, don't play with me. Don't play with me.
Dubai, are you ready? Seven, six. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, hey y'all, what's up? I am back from dinner in the sky. I'm back in my room. I've freshened up, changed outfits. You know, your girl coming with all of the spring vibrant colors. Hit y'all with the orange earlier, then the pink, and now the green. But yes, back from dinner in the sky. I will give y'all like a little bit more rundown recap of that tomorrow, because right now I'm a little pressed for time because we are headed out for a night out on the town. I'm not really sure what venue we would be going to, but we're having to roll out in maybe like 10 or 15 minutes. So yes, gonna try to continue pre-gaming a little bit. So if you're watching this, take a shot. Whatever you do, some wine, some beer, some hard liquor, whatever, take a shot with me because we about to have a good time. So yes, just wanted to come on, show y'all, you know, got a little vibes. Don't mind the toilet seat up. But yeah, you know, little hip, a little thigh. But yes, you indicator.
Bitch, fucking stretch marks, spin it over right now. What's up to you?
They call me badass, and I'll punish you. You ain't my equal, we ain't people, I ain't one of you. I should've left your ass a long time ago, and I'm not gonna cry, I'm not gonna cry.
Hey y'all, so I made it back in. First night, as far as like first club night in Dubai, was lit. It was everything, you know. It was a time. We had a time, honey. We went to this place called Black Flamingo. Black Flamingo did not disappoint. They had a lot of great music. It was like hip-hop, R&B, rap type of vibe, so that was a plus for me. Right up my alley, right up my lane, the type of stuff I like to hear. And because like initially I didn't realize like we were traveling during Ramadan, and when I went back and did like my research, a lot of people were saying like, you know, nightlife, live music, entertainment, that type of thing would not really be a thing. It would be pretty much non-existent, pretty much quiet during Ramadan. But let me tell y'all something. I don't know if the Black Flamingo had different rules, or you know, I don't know. But the Black Flamingo was turned, honey. It was turned. So if you were like questioning as far as like, you know, should I travel to Dubai during Ramadan or whatnot, listen, the Black Flamingo still went up. We still had a great time. Y'all saw me almost bust my ass in the club, but it was a great experience. And also talk about like clothing. you know, some people like always question like what I can and cannot wear in Dubai. I didn't get turned around. You see, girl is showing skin. What Candy say? Body, yaddy. I don't know what Candy says, but I didn't get turned around. No one said anything. I actually got compliments because, you know, your girl auntie gonna serve looks purr. But yeah, so first club night, nightlife experience in Dubai was a great one. Black Flamingo, I highly recommend that. Good morning, y'all. Hey, it is a new day, but yes, right now I'm about to head downstairs to get some breakfast that's in the hotel, and then later on I have a city tour. We're going on a city tour, so I'm going to take you guys along for that. But
you can see one of the most beautiful museums of the world. It's the Museum of the Future, and the design was inspired by the Expo 2020. You see outside it's decorated with Arabic calligraphy. The Arabic calligraphy, it's about 3 codes for the ruler of Dubai. The first code, UAE is a federation of 7 emirates. You can call them states. The 7 emirates are Abu Dhabi, the capital, Dubai, UAE most important port and commercial center, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, Ajman, and Al Quwain. Each emirate is managed and ruled by someone called Sheikh.
and right now we are in the
Al Fahidi district, the oldest neighborhood in Dubai.
okay, so yes, we're doing a tour of that. Gonna take you guys along for everything out here to see.
Wooden sticks coming out from the wind tower. What are the main functions of the wooden sticks coming out from? Okay guys, we are gonna have a look inside one of the traditional Emirati houses in the past, so please feel free. You can go and explore the place. You will see.
So right now we are about to take a water taxi over to the market. That's our next stop on the tour.
Here in Spice Market. Okay, first of all I will start from the King Spice. Do you know what is this? That one is the King Spice saffron. You may heard about the saffron. The saffron is coming from a crocus which mostly produced in Iran, Switzerland and Spain. We have the super quality from Iran. Okay, the saffron normally in Europe people are using like in rice, cooking, risotto and paella, but here we mostly using in tea, water, milk and coffee. Okay, how to know it's a real saffron or no when you buying the saffron? Just take a little bit, put in the water. The saffron is red, but the color of saffron should be gold color. If it's coming pink or red, this is not the real quality of saffron. Why the saffron very famous? Because of the health benefits, like good for the brain, memory, immune system.
Chai tea, exactly.
What's this tea called again?
Chai tea made with saffron, milk, black tea, and cardamoms.
Okay.
Take another one. I will bring the tissue for you. Tissue be sorry?
It ain't too bad though. You tried yours? It ain't bad though.
So shortly guys, we are gonna pass by some of the famous landmarks here in Dubai. On your right hand side we can see Dubai Frame. Okay, 150 meter tall, connected by a 93 meter transparent glass bridge. Then
And there's the Atlantis. The views. And this is the newer Atlantis. It's the Royal Atlantis where Beyonce did her Dubai performance. I'm hanging out the window with my wretched ass friends. Hey, 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 cheers! So right now we just got to the Dubai Marina. We're about to do a dinner cruise. So yeah, that's what we're about to do right now. Headed to the Marina, doing our dinner cruise. Let me show y'all the views real quick.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they didn't know me raps in the facts and they sat with the parts. I got 2 fools, one need a charge. They twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big bags coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. Got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm tryna stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in the race. I really might tap this nigga on the face.
My best friend. Yeah. My best friend. 4 years together. Wow. That's unheard of.
No, yeah, it is.
Sing. Don't just make a face in the camera. Sing if you gonna do it. Sing, cause you won't do a shit.
I never felt flowers, cards, and candy. Sound punches, the bad hoes that spell me. Shout out A&T though. On Instagram, straight flexing. Bought the Molly, I said, woo! Woo! Fingers, they itching for the paper. Fingers, they itching for that paper. I can't get over it. So we just got back in from the dinner cruise. We have like an hour window before we hit the town again for another night out on the town. But yes, earlier, I'm not 100% sure. I don't think I gave y'all a recap, but we did a city tour or whatnot. So we saw some cool, great things earlier today. And then we did a dinner cruise just a moment ago. And now we are having like a little downtime. It's not really no downtime because we've been on go, like on go or whatnot. I could barely get a little cat nap in, but yes, have a little window before we go out to the club. And you know, like I probably won't bring my camera, so I'll probably do like club moments from my cell phone again tonight. But yes, you guys, make sure you stay tuned because the trip isn't over. We still have more Dubai action to give y'all. I'm bringing y'all more Dubai action, so definitely stay tuned. Thumbs up, drop some comments if you haven't already, and yeah, and keep watching, because you know, tonight and tomorrow and for the rest of the trip, it's action time. But yeah, probably gonna show y'all some of the pregame, because we're gonna start pregaming in just a moment. But yes, back from the dinner cruise and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna start rambling, because you know me, chatty patty, just be that's all, folks. This when you know when you got money. This is the type of music you want to put pregame to. You remind me of a love that I once knew. I can't be ready.
Hate didn't work, so they lied. These bitches suck and hurt when they ride. Listen, if they die, tell them move. Chanel on my body, it's a boost. I'm so poppin', I don't ever gotta get with the booze. One thing I never call a bitch for, that's the truth. Checks coming fast, I'm like swoosh. Give them to straight, honey cool. I thought I killed you, hoes before, it must be deja vu. See the black ball, catch your body,
Hey y'all, good morning. Checking back in with y'all. So it is Friday morning. Yesterday, Thursday night, we went to this place. I believe it was called Blah Blah. I could be saying it wrong, but it was spelled B-L-A-B-L-A. And I also think that place, they do like a day beach club, beach party type of vibe. So if you ever come to Dubai, I would definitely recommend like checking them out. But yes, last night was good vibes. It's Friday morning. It's like 8:30 right now. I have like 25 minutes before we board the buses, because we're getting on a yacht. You know, we're gonna have like the vibes. You know, what's a vacation without like getting on a yacht? So, you know, all black swimsuit with the gold accessories. That's the aesthetics, the looks, or whatnot, the color scheme for today for the yacht moment. So definitely stay tuned, because I'm gonna take y'all along for that. And then after the yacht, we have like a desert safari tour as well. So just another jam-packed day. Everything has been on go. I can't talk, but everything has really been on go non-stop. Like been getting like 3 hours worth of sleep every night. Like listen, these cat naps, they ain't even a cat nap. They're more so like a kitten. Like it's not even a full purr. It's a purr. Like these cat naps, like honey, but we'll sleep when we get back home, okay? But yeah, so last night too, like we did the dinner cruise as well. Also, I'm gonna show y'all some photos. Like I took a photo at the dinner cruise, so I'm gonna show y'all that. But as y'all can tell, I'm trying to rush. And I done took my motion sickness pills, because I'm ready, because I would not get sick on the yacht. And we started the morning off as well with a little mimosa. But yes, had to come in and let y'all know what we doing. Top of the morning, Friday, getting ready for the yacht. Gonna take y'all along with me for that, because it's ass shaking time, you know the vibes. But yeah, keep watching. Thumbs up, drop some comments if you haven't already, and I'll check back in with y'all shortly.
She see stars. I got so hella. Bitch, I show you. And that good love, like she got no teeth. That's my past, nigga. I be daddy smash quicker. Them the mama fine. Where you been, your ass bigger. Booty straight to the city, bigger.
The palm, the mirror. Okay, y'all, so quick little update. So y'all saw the yacht, the booze cruise. It was never good vibes. We had a great time. We had a time on that yacht, honey. Okay, well, at least I did. But we had a good time on the yacht, and when we got back from the yacht, we had like an hour at the hotel. And y'all remember earlier I was telling y'all like these little cat naps, like they really weren't a cat, they were more so like a kitten. Y'all, that kitten grew up. It was a full-grown cat. I had a cat nap, and listen, that hour turned into like 2 hours or so because your girl overslept. Your girl overslept for the group takeoff for the Desert Safari Tour. We got back to the hotel around 1 something. We were supposed to take off. The show was supposed to take off at like 3 p.m. I woke up, it was after 4 o'clock. It's like, your girl overslept that bad. Auntie really caught her some snooze, okay? I didn't hear my alarm go off, and the phone that I guess people probably called me on, like to try to see where I was. Child, that thing was powered off and charging, just whole stupid, just dumb. But because I'm highly favored, I still was able to make it out to the Desert Safari or whatnot. So I did the Jeep ride. That's what y'all saw. I did that by myself with just one driver. So I still got the chance to experience it. Overslept and all, but I'm still here. Still made it to the desert, honey, because like I said, I am highly favored. But yeah, right now I'm at the campsite waiting on the rest of the group to get here, but just had to come on camera and update y'all about what Auntie done did. Auntie overslept, but still made it to the excursion. And what?
Yeah, you close the eyes.
On my shoulder.
Yeah, sure. Okay. You close the eyes. Yeah. Why are you scared?
I'm crazy.
You give me phone.
Hey, love.
Your phone?
Yeah.
Okay,
Hey,
take
baby.
to home.
I love animals.
I take to home phone.
Okay.
Hey y'all, so we are back from the desert safari and barbecue campsite moment. Let me back on up. But yeah, just wanted to come in and check in. We are back. If y'all are interested in doing something like that, if you ever visit Dubai, I think the company was called Certified Tourism LLC, so you can check them out for that type of excursion. But yeah, right now it is like, what time it is? It's like 9:46 and we are going to the club. I'm not sure which nightclub we are going to, but this should be probably like the final club night. It's Friday night. Like, it's Friday night. I'm going out again. But yeah, so we gotta leave like at 11 for the club. I told y'all it's 9:46, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get ready. Like, ain't no trying to do a power nap, because we see what a power nap gets you on vacation, honey. You get left. You oversleep and get left. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Gonna go ahead and try to freshen up, get right for the club. I'll check back in with y'all shortly. Okay, y'all, so I am all dressed and ready to go out. Just a quick little outfit scan and check for y'all, but yeah. Friday night behavior. Cheers.
It's Friday night, it's going down again. Love this weekend.
Good morning, you guys. We meet again. It is Saturday morning. It's a little close to 8 o'clock or whatnot, and I actually think we leave at 9, so I'm a little early. I'm up and at 'em on time. I think, like, because I'm probably traumatized and scarred from missing the shuttle for that desert safari activity. You girls not about to play. But yes, it's Saturday morning, top of the morning. This is actually the last full day in Dubai as well, and we will be traveling to Abu Dhabi to visit a mosque. So I'm gonna take you guys along for that activity. Super excited. But yeah, I'm not 100% sure if I'll be able to take my camera into the mosque, but I could probably have my cell phone, so don't worry, I got y'all. We'll see when we get there. But yeah, I'm dressed today, up and at 'em early in my rich auntie pantsuit, you know, the bold, bright lime green. It's adding a little vibe. Y'all like it? Yay, nay? Some of the girls' looks, giving the girls vibes. What y'all think? But yeah, just
Guys, if you look at the right hand side, you will see one of the most beautiful designs. It's a headquarter of Aldar. It's one of the famous developer companies here in Abu Dhabi.
Hey y'all, so we just arrived to the mosque right now. Some people are buying abayas, that's the dress for women, and some men are getting Honduras, that's the proper attire for entering the mosque for men and women. And yeah, so that's what we're currently doing right now, waiting to actually go inside. We're in like a marketplace area. Hey y'all, so it's a few hours later. Earlier today, we visited the mosque, and then we had lunch at Millennium Hotel Buffet. And you know, everything was just so amazing. Like being in the mosque, everything was just so grand. The views, the fixtures, like the chandeliers, all of that was just amazing. You know, like I said. And so like we had some downtime after the mosque or whatnot. I thought about going to the Dubai Miracle Garden, but I was like, you know what, I'll pass up on that attraction, that tourist attraction. So I just, like, my little cat nap, it wasn't a kitten, so I took a cat nap. So right now I'm up and I'm about to head out real quick to try to get some souvenirs before I pack my bags, because it is the last day, the last night in Dubai. I'm leaving for the airport in just a moment. So yes, we're gonna go out real quick and see what type of souvenirs. Getting ready to close out this Dubai travel vlog. That's a Portia. I came, I saw, I served looks, I conquered. Okay? Despite oversleeping, despite getting probably like maybe 10-12 hours max of hours worth of sleep, Dubai was everything. It was just amazing. And I said earlier that I was gonna show you guys some pictures, and I didn't show you guys the pictures, but like this is from the dinner cruise. Look at me. Rich auntie serving looks. And from the Desert Safari, I also have Odo's Purr. Riding that camel. Yeah. Okay. This is like when, you know, you visit someone's parents' house and they showing you pictures on the wall and photo albums and all that. That's what I'm doing right now. But also from the Burj Khalifa, I ordered photos. I think I told you guys that, as well as I'm not 100% sure if you have to purchase photos to be able to get the downloadable. Is downloadable a word? I don't know right now because I'm finishing off this bottle of Jack. But the download link, but it says like at the top Burj Khalifa, and I ordered me some photos. Like it did like a little animated backdrop. Hopefully y'all can see that. I can't really see, I covered my screen. But these were like these were $73 a piece. It came with a book and like a stationary photo. And the ones from the Desert Safari, those were, I can't 100% recall. Oh, upside down, but I think the one from the dinner cruise was $50. But me, I live for an experience. I'm a photo person. I like to capture the moment, so I'm gonna pay for a photo. Auntie like to flick it up. Okay, we gonna get these angles, all this and that. But yes, I'm gonna finish kind of like eating and getting my carry-on luggage ready or whatnot. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And also be sure to check out my other travel vlogs. I will link them down below in the comment section. I have Egypt, Panama, Jamaica, Santorini. Let me see what else. Costa Rica, LA. There's several travel vlogs on my channel, so definitely check those out. They will be linked down below. And also check out my YouTube shorts. Check out my shorts section. I have Bermuda, and I also have the DR coming as well. But yes, I thoroughly appreciate you guys watching so much, and always check the description box for information. I will also link to, if you are an aspiring nurse, I have like a great resource. It's a nursing thing that's available for you. I will link that down below in the description box. I will also have a promo code that you could use for digital downloads and so much more. It's a nursing thing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Thumbs up, drop some comments, talk to me in the comments, talk to others in the comments, share and subscribe if you haven't, because if you are watching at this point and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Okay, subscribe, don't miss the vibes, okay? But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys take it easy, be safe. Until next time, peace.